Traders, this your boy Marquis. I'm back with another video. Today is January the 2nd. This is a new year. This is new opportunities. This is a new way, guys, for you guys to make money trading Forex right from your phone, your laptop, anywhere at any time in the world, guys. I'm back in another trade. Just wanted to show you guys here at All In Day Traders our strategy really works. Stop wasting time. Stop doing all the extracurricular things that you guys are doing. Listen, this strategy that I have works at All In Day Traders, all right? A lot of people, they complain about their 9-to-5 jobs. They complain about every day, about life, about things that they're not doing that they want to do in life. Man, look, this is an opportunity for you, all right? Stop putting things on hold. This is 2019. This is a way that you guys can make money, all right? Look at what I got here right now. I'm trading the EURUSD. I'm on the 1-hour chart, all right? I'm currently up $907, guys. $907 in profit. Do you see that? At the bottom right hand corner on my screen, all right? I only put a sell order of a standard lot and a half. All right, do y'all guys see that? All right, look at this. Look how far this market dropped down, guys. All right, I'm already in a sell right now. Okay, I'm gonna continue to let this thing play out a little bit longer, okay, because the market have to drop down a couple more levels before I actually get out of this trade. Okay, stop playing games. Stop wasting your time with taking all these Forex classes that cost thousands of dollars, guys. All right, go ahead and sign up now. All In Day Traders. Okay, subscribe at my YouTube channel, All In Day Traders, down at below. All right, stop wasting your time, guys. This is new money, new opportunities for you. 2019. All right, All In Day Traders. Go to my website. Okay, go ahead, make the payment. My course is only $325 compared to others that's charging thousands of dollars. All right, okay, it's the same information, just a different strategy. Okay, and you pay a lot less of money. All right, stop playing games, guys. This is your time right now. This is a new year. This is a way that you can make quick money. All right, as long as you take my course, you get the valuable information that I'm teaching you guys, and the sky's the limit after that. All right, All In Day Traders, and we out.